Hey guys, I am Tony. Welcome to Simple Advantage. I hope you're having a great day. I am super excited about today's video because it will be the first unboxing on my channel. I'll be unboxing the new Alienware R11. And I know that a lot of people don't like Alienware. They say it's overpriced and you could build something better for cheaper on your own and all that good stuff. But I get special deals on Dell products. It's kind of nice where I work. If you get a good annual evaluation, you get a $700 gift certificate off of anything in the Dell member shop. And so I actually got this, a brand new Aurora R11 for only $306. So that's why I go with Alienware. It's ridiculously cheap for me compared to other options. And usually what I do is I'll buy the base model Aurora or close to a base model, and it'll last me, 4 or 5 years, do everything that I want to do. I don't do anything too intense and crazy. And actually, this one I bought in 2016 that you see behind me, and it still performs fine. Like it does everything I ask it to do. I do a lot of PUBG and some League of Legends and a little bit of Call of Duty, but not a whole lot. Left 4 Dead. So nothing, too insane. It's not like I'm playing a bunch of VR games or anything. So the reason I'm getting rid of this one, even though it still performs fine, is because my parents are in desperate need of a new desktop computer, and I think this one will serve them well for a few years. So I'm just going to give that to them, go ahead and upgrade. So this old one had a Intel Core i5 6400, 8 gigs of RAM, and then it had the AMD Radeon RX 480. And so the new one that I'm getting, it has the Core i5 10400F. I'm not sure if that's the correct language for it, but that's what it is. 8 gigs of RAM, which I do plan to actually upgrade to 16 gigs of RAM, but the reason I didn't do it on the order was it was an extra $100, and I think I can probably get out of it for a little bit cheaper than that. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've been doing a little bit of research, and I think I can. And then I upgraded from the default GPU, which I think was the Radeon RX 5300. I upgraded to the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super, which is only a $30 difference. And I looked up the benchmarks on User Benchmark, and the 1660 Super performed about 136% better than the Radeon 5300. So for $30, I think that's worth the upgrade. And if you don't want to spend $30 extra, you could change which chassis you're getting. So the default one is, I think, Lunar Light or something. It's like the white one. And if you downgrade to the black version, Dark Side of the Moon, you save $30. So it kind of negates out, so you almost get that better GPU for free. And that's what I did. Personally, I liked the black color better, so it wasn't even a downgrade for me. It was kind of a plus. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It has been very difficult for me to wait until this video to open it, but I wanted to wait for you guys. But I am super excited, so let's get to the unboxing. It's like box after box here. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm glad they want it protected. let's take this out. Some paperwork in there. And here is our first look at the computer there. It's a big one. Decide how to take it out for sure here. I think we'll just go straight up. Guys, this computer is absolutely massive. Like, I cannot believe how big it is. I guess just so they have to only make one model to put all the parts in for the people that do get, you know, the more intense, bigger, you know, graphic cards and different parts. But like, I'm like shocked how big this thing is. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. Turn the camera around here. So this thing, I mean, it's monstrous. It's like so fatty too. I mean, it's huge. But I'll take some video when I get the old one unplugged here and kind of do a size comparison. So maybe if you're in the same boat as me and you're upgrading and you want to see the size difference, you'll be able to see that. So say hi, Cubby Cub. Here's the stuff it came with. This is optional, but it's free. I mean, it's a cheap mouse. Why not? Got your power cord here, some paperwork, and then we got a keyboard. Okay. So yeah, just your standard Dell keyboard. Nothing too crazy. Actually, I think I'm gonna just give this to my parents too, because their keyboard is maybe in worse shape than their desktop right now. So I'll just give that to them too. But anyway, we will go ahead and proceed here and get the old one unhooked and start getting this new big fatty Alienware hooked up. Alright guys, that computer is like pretty heavy. It's no joke. Alright, let's go ahead and peel all this off here. It would be such a pleasant experience if it wasn't ripped on some parts already. Okay, that one is nice. Pretty nice. other side here. If you enjoy pulling the little plastic off, you're gonna enjoy this computer. Okay, I think that is all of it. That is a ridiculously big pile. Alright, so I might have overestimated the size difference a little bit. It's not as much as I thought, but I still think the new one's a little bit bigger. So anyway, I am going to get it hooked up here, and then we're going to fire it up, and hopefully everything will work fine. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and boot it up, make sure it's all good. Nice. Not so nice. Wait. Oh. That was kind of weird. Kind of scared me for a second. I do like the face of this computer, with the lights and stuff. I think it's gonna look pretty nice, and I usually go with the all black theme anyway on a lot of my stuff, so I think it'll work good. Okay, so it looks like the computer is doing its thing. It's getting set up ready, getting ready for me to put all my information in. So I'm not gonna show you guys that, that's all boring, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the computer. I enjoyed it. Thank you guys for hanging with me. And if you liked this video, a like and sub would be super appreciated. I'm probably going to do a review on this computer once I get it all set up and running, get some games installed on it, run a few benchmarks, kind of tell you guys what I think. My presumptive opinion is that I think this is a pretty good gaming desktop. If you're, somebody that isn't necessarily interested in building your own, but you want one that's not gonna just be, insanely expensive, I think this one will fit most people's needs. I'll primarily be using it for some moderate gaming and some editing. So even if you're having to pay full price, I think it's definitely one to look at. And there is something to be said for having support available from a company that's pretty reputable like Dell. So I don't think this is a computer you could go wrong with. But like I say, I'll do a review later if you guys are interested in that, and kind of let you know some more thorough thoughts on it once I get to using it. So thank you guys, I sure appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.